Alright, so today, very nice day outside. I'm trying to stay closer to my home and review this Flexaret Automat. This is like a 50 years old camera. It's from Czechoslovakia at that time. Right now actually there are two countries, Czechia and Slovakia. This one in particular, it's heavy, sturdy. Very nice lens on the lenses which this one have are Belar, very sharp lenses. And also what is interesting about this camera, the focusing, it's actually down here, and it's got both metric and imperial system. And the front system, it's actually the only part which is moving. Typically the entire area it's moving in when you try to make focus with these cameras. On the other type like Rolleiflex or all Japanese ones, you have the entire front. This one has got only the parts of the lenses moving up and down, actually front and back, in order to create the focus. So let's put this baby to work. I'm really curious to see the pictures, how they will end up, and what can I say? Let's see the pictures. All right, let's have some fun.